How do paranormal investigators utilize pendulums in their investigations? Stick around and we will look at the techniques that are used. Please like and subscribe. You really can help our channel grow. Thanks for view. A pendulum is a simple yet fascinating tool, a weight often made of crystal, metal, or even wood, suspended from a string or chain. Its design is straightforward, but its uses are anything but ordinary. When held still, the weight swings freely, moving back and forth or in circles, seemingly guided by invisible forces. Even the slightest movement can set it in motion, creating a mesmerizing dance. For centuries, people have been captivated by these subtle movements, using pendulums for everything from divination and dowsing to spirit communication and personal guidance. Many believe pendulums act as a bridge to the unseen, sensitive to subtle energies, perhaps even spirits or energies from another realm. Unlike flashy ghost hunting gadgets, pendulums require patience and focus, making the experience feel personal, intimate, and deeply connected to the user. Some see the pendulum as an extension of intuition, bypassing the conscious mind to reveal deeper insights or answers that might otherwise remain hidden. The mystery remains. What truly moves the pendulum? Is it spirits, subconscious muscle movements, or something else entirely that guides its path? This uncertainty is part of its enduring appeal in the paranormal world, inviting both skepticism and wonder. Pendulums offer direct yes or no answers, providing clarity in a field full of ambiguity and unanswered questions. Their simplicity and accessibility mean anyone, from seasoned investigators to the simply curious, can use one, regardless of experience. No expensive gear or formal training is needed, just an open mind, a steady hand, and a willingness to explore the unknown. Whether seeking answers about a haunted house, exploring intuition, or simply satisfying curiosity, the pendulum remains a go-to tool for many. Its allure lies in its ability to make the mysterious feel just within reach, offering a tangible link to the unknown. For many, it's the first step into the world of paranormal investigation, a simple tool that opens the door to endless possibilities. Pendulums and dowsing tools have ancient origins, stretching back thousands of years to some of the earliest civilizations. These simple yet mysterious instruments have long fascinated people across cultures and continents. Their use long predates their association with ghost hunting or paranormal investigation, and they were once considered essential tools for those seeking hidden truths. Early cultures used them for divination, seeking hidden water, minerals, or answers about the future. Pendulums were believed to reveal secrets that lay beneath the surface, both literally and metaphorically. These practices often carried a mystical element, with the tool believed to respond to unseen forces or energies. The gentle swing of a pendulum was thought to be guided by spiritual entities or the subconscious mind. During the Renaissance, pendulums became part of European esoteric traditions, alongside alchemy and astrology. Scholars and mystics alike explored their potential for unlocking the mysteries of the universe. Occult revivals in the 18th and 19th centuries saw pendulums used for spiritual development and hidden knowledge. They became symbols of the search for enlightenment and deeper understanding. The Victorian era's fascination with spiritualism made pendulums common in seances, offering a direct way to communicate with the spirit world. People gathered in dimly lit rooms, hoping for messages from beyond. Over time, their use shifted from general fortune-telling to focused paranormal inquiry. Pendulums became specialized tools for those seeking contact with spirits or answers from the unknown. People began asking pendulums about spirits in specific locations, marking a transition toward ghost hunting. This new purpose gave pendulums a unique place in the world of supernatural investigation. This evolution cemented the pendulum's role as a tool for direct spirit communication, bridging the gap between the physical and spiritual realms. Its journey from ancient divination to modern paranormal research reflects humanity's ongoing quest for answers and our enduring fascination with the mysteries of existence. The pendulum's history is a tapestry of belief, curiosity, and the search for connection with the unknown. Each era has added its own layer of meaning to this simple tool. Today, it stands as both a relic of the past and a staple of contemporary investigations, continuing to inspire wonder and intrigue in those who seek answers beyond the ordinary. Early ghost hunters had few tools at their disposal, relying mostly on personal experience, witness accounts, and simple devices like the pendulum to guide their investigations into the unknown. The pendulum's portability and ease of use made it a natural fit for investigators seeking direct spirit contact, especially in locations where larger equipment was impractical or impossible to bring. Figures like Harry Price explored both elaborate and simple methods, with pendulums remaining a constant part of the investigative landscape, valued for their simplicity and accessibility. As technology advanced, some investigators shifted their focus to cameras and recorders, but pendulums persisted, often used alongside these newer tools to provide a different kind of evidence. Their appeal lies in offering a personal, intuitive connection, something technology can't replicate. The pendulum invites the investigator to trust their instincts and engage with the moment. Pendulums require no batteries, work anywhere, and foster a sense of direct engagement with the unknown, making them ideal for spontaneous investigations in any environment. Compared to methods like table tipping or automatic writing, pendulums are simple, controlled, and can be used solo, allowing for quick responses and immediate feedback. This practicality, combined with their deep historical roots, keeps them relevant in modern ghost hunting, bridging generations of investigators. For many, the pendulum bridges old-world mysticism and contemporary investigation, serving as a symbol of the enduring quest to connect with the spirit world. Its continued use speaks to the enduring desire for hands-on, personal encounters with the paranormal and the human need to seek answers beyond what science can explain. Even as tools evolve and technology advances, the pendulum remains a trusted companion in the search for spirits, cherished for its simplicity and the sense of wonder it inspires. Today's paranormal teams use everything from EMF meters to full-spectrum cameras, but pendulums still have a place. Often used as a supplementary tool, pendulums offer a direct, personal approach when technology falls silent. Many investigators establish a baseline, asking the pendulum to show yes and no movements before questioning spirits. Simple yes or no questions are common, but some use letter boards or charts for more detailed responses. This method requires patience and concentration, as the pendulum spells out messages letter by letter. Some investigators use pendulums to map energy fields, searching for hotspots of paranormal activity. By observing changes in the pendulum's swing, they identify areas worth further investigation. The pendulum's versatility makes it valuable for both quick checks and in-depth sessions. Its continued use highlights the importance of blending old and new techniques in the field. For many, the pendulum remains a trusted tool for exploring the unknown. Setting up a pendulum session starts with choosing the right pendulum, crystal, metal, or whatever feels right in your hand. Some investigators cleanse their pendulum with sage or moonlight to clear residual energies. A quiet, distraction-free environment is crucial. Turn off phones and eliminate drafts to avoid interference. Mindset matters. Approach the session calmly and respectfully, sometimes after a brief meditation. Many perform grounding and protection rituals, visualizing a shield of light or stating intentions for safe communication. Before questioning spirits, calibrate the pendulum. Ask it to show yes and no movements. This step ensures clear, consistent responses for that session. Some also establish a maybe or I don't know swing. Calibration is vital as pendulum responses can vary by session or location. Once set, the investigator is ready to begin. These preparations help create a focused, safe space for potential spirit contact. The process is as much about intention as technique. A well-prepared session increases the chances of meaningful results. During a session, the investigator holds the pendulum steady, minimizing movement to avoid influencing the swing. They introduce themselves and state their intentions, then ask clear, simple yes or no questions. Ambiguous questions are avoided to ensure reliable answers. After each question, patience is key, waiting quietly for the pendulum's response. The strength and direction of the swing are noted, as they can indicate confidence or uncertainty. All responses are documented, often with a partner taking notes or recording the session. Cross-referencing pendulum answers with other evidence, like EVPs or historical records, adds credibility. The goal is to build a comprehensive picture, not rely solely on the pendulum. Pendulum responses are based on initial calibration, clockwise or forward swings for yes, side to side, or counterclockwise for no. Some sessions include a maybe or unclear swing, but consistency is key. The quality of the swing matters. Strong swings suggest confidence, weak ones may indicate uncertainty. Erratic or no movement can signal confusion, multiple energies, or no spirit present. Investigators must consider the ideomotor effect. Unconscious muscle movements can influence the pendulum. Responsible investigators remain skeptical, seeking corroboration from other sources. Interpreting pendulum data is about pattern recognition and cross-referencing, not blind belief. The pendulum is a tool. Its meaning comes from careful, critical analysis. Pendulums carry risks. Misinterpretation and confirmation bias can skew results. Investigators may unconsciously influence swings to fit their expectations. Over-reliance on pendulums can lead to false conclusions about hauntings. Emotional responses, fear or comfort, can be amplified by perceived spirit contact. Some believe pendulums can attract negative energies if used carelessly, so protection rituals are common. The ideomotor effect is a scientific explanation for pendulum movement, reminding investigators to stay critical. Corroborating pendulum findings with other evidence is essential for balanced investigation. The pendulum's power lies in its mystery, but also in the need for caution and skepticism. Pendulums endure because of their simplicity and accessibility. Anyone can use one, anywhere. They offer a personal, direct way to explore the unknown, making spirit communication feel within reach. The process is intimate, often solitary, fostering a unique sense of connection. Whether seen as a link to spirits or a tool for intuition, the pendulum's ambiguity keeps curiosity alive. Its blend of mystery, tradition, and possibility ensures ongoing fascination. For skeptics and believers alike, the pendulum invites patient listening and open-minded exploration. It remains a timeless tool in the quest to understand what lies beyond our senses. The pendulum's legacy is one of wonder, inviting us to keep searching for answers in the unseen.